Hey guys, what's going on? It's HotDiecast Garage, and today we're taking a look at the brand new 2018 J-Case Hot Wheels. I'll be unboxing the J-Case very soon, and I'll also be sending one lucky viewer a few new models from the case. My last giveaway winner was Zach, who just received some awesome cars, so make sure you guys stay tuned for my unboxing of this J-Case for a chance to win. It looks like the J-Case has some great new models, starting with the new black color of the 2010 Pro Stock Camaro. Under that Camaro, we've got a 1969 Dodge Coronet Super B. The cool-looking Cool Combi from the R-Car series is the Treasure Hunt model for the J-Case. Below the Combi is the regular version of the 52 Chevy, which is the Super Treasure Hunt model of this case. We've got a new yellow color of the 2015 Ford Mustang GT convertible. Beneath the yellow Stang is a Batman Justice League Batmobile. There's also a new color of the custom 2015 Ford Mustang and 1970 Chevelle SS wagon. Returning from the last case, we have the epic Porsche 918 Spyder and Mclaren 720S. The 2016 Mercedes Amg Gt3 has arrived in a new blue color, and the Fiat 500 is also wearing a new color as well. On the right, we have the white McLaren P1, which was also in the H case. Up next is the Nissan Skyline Gtr R33, followed up by a new white Mazda REPU pickup truck. Below the truck is the silver 1982 Nissan Skyline R30. Then we've got a 96 Nissan 180 SX Type X and a Custom 01 Acura Integra GSR. Alongside those two is a new color of the 1985 Honda City Turbo 2. Next is the green 2017 Camaro Zl1 from the H case. Then we have a brand new casting for this case, the 2018 Ford Mustang GT in blue. For the old school muscle fans, there's a 1969 Dodge Charger 500, 55 Corvette, and 1970 Dodge Hemi Challenger. The next couple include a new orange Rally Cat and the X-Racer Drift Rod. Then we've got a then and now yellow Volkswagen Golf Mark II. Moving to the right, one of my favorite new cars is the red 2016 Ford GT Race. Below the Ford GT is the blue Hot Wheels Twin Mill, and there's also a new red version of the 2016 Cadillac Ats VR. Next, there are two Checkmate models, one being Fandango and the other is Cloak and Dagger. We've got a new white color of the 2015 Ford F-150 and Chevy Blazer 4x4. The 2017 Ford F-150 Raptor and green Jeep Wrangler also returned from the H case. The next few cars are the Bazooka, Blastus Moto, and the Hot Wheels Ride-On Let's Go. There's also a tuned C6 Corvette and Lamborghini Countach. Our next batch includes the sports model Speedy Perez and HW450F dirt bike. There's also the Dino Rider Sting Rod 2 and Street Beast Scorpedo. Next, we have Fast Feline, X Steam, Radical Racer, and HW Formula Solar. The last bunch of vehicles include the Airplane Mad Props, the Night Dragon, and Glow Wheels Sandivore. Our last two for the J-Case are called Eruption and the Kick Cart. I'll be unboxing the 2018 J-Case and all of these vehicles on my channel very soon. If you want to stay up to date with the latest Hot Wheels cars and news, HotDiecast Garage is the best place to be, so make sure you subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next Hot Wheels video.